Hello, welcome back to AMC India. Today I am going to cook khichdi with brown rice. Let's start. To make khichdi, I am using 20 centimeters loaf. I am switching on the flame. I am using 1 cup of brown rice, half cup of moong dal. I have washed the rice and dal and soaked them for 30 minutes. Into that, I am adding 3 cups of water. Add salt to taste. Bit of turmeric. Now I am using 20 centimeter second plate. On the high flame, I am going to cook it in turbo window for 1 minute. Audio therm is connected to mobile app. It has reached turbo window. I am switching the flame to low and switching off the sound. Cooking time is completed. I am switching off the audio therm. Switch off the flame and leave it until it depressurizes. Until it depressurizes, let's leave it in an inverted lid. Now I am going to prepare tadka for the khichdi. For that I am using 16 centimeters loaf. First we have to switch on the flame, and on the highest flame we have to heat it until roasting window. I am setting the audio therm to roasting window. Audio therm is connected to mobile app. It has reached roasting window. I am switching the flame to low and switching off the audio therm. I am using a tablespoon of ghee, jeera, crushed garlic, crushed ginger, one onion finely chopped, few curry leaves, adding little bit of turmeric, salt, chili powder, mix everything well. Now I am adding 1 tomato finely chopped. I am adding green chilies. See, the tomato is nicely cooked. Now we have to add this to the rice and dal. Pressure is completely released. Now I am opening the lid. Now let's add the tadka to the rice. Now we have to switch on the flame again. On the low flame we have to cook for 1 minute. At this point we can adjust the salt and spices. Now I am switching off the flame. Lastly, we have to top it with little bit coriander. Brown rice khichdi is ready and serve hot. Thank you so much for watching, and keep watching AMC India for more interesting recipes. Thank you.